Take a look at my selection. You won't be disappointed.
You name it, I've got it.
Can't find better prices anywhere.
Smithing is a lifestyle.
Looking for armor? Come on in.
You'll need some protection if you're planning on going out there.
Divine collection from the church's library.
Spells and charms to protect yourself.
May the spirits be your guide.
How may the powers of darkness assist you?
I'm sure you've seen some spells you wanted to try out yourself, yes?
These spells are not for the faint of heart.
We've got plenty of room. How many nights do you want to stay?
Take a load off for a bit.
Enjoy your stay!
Hey, come here.
You interested in some goods?
I see you found my shop again. You weren't followed, I hope.
These are the fastest animals in the area.
Always the best way to travel.
Nothing beats steam power.
Let's get you where you need to go in style and comfort.
Give me everything you got.
Try to run and you're dead. Come on, I don't bite.
I'm coming to get you!
Ah!
Ah!
Your blood will boil! Fear the black within!
Els comes am Nacht.
You should not have come here.
I am impressed that you made it this far, but your time ends now.
You think you can hit me?
How could you defeat me?
You will regret this!
Foiled again!
Fools, there is no escape from the hand of death.
Good day.
I haven't seen you before.
Hey, you wanna play?
I do my best to keep this town safe.
Don't be doing anything illegal now.
Ugh, some people could stand to bathe every now and then.
Stay away from me.
Why, hello there, Sonny.
Welcome to the big city. I could tell you're from out of town.
Can't you feel your troubles melting away? I can.
Everything is always so great here.
Just smell that ocean air.
The sea, she be a harsh mistress at times.
Such a primitive dialect. How fascinating to hear it spoken.
People will take whatever help they can get.
Not much left to survive on around here.
This war has destroyed our town.
Up here, we are used to the heights.
Not used to the chill, are you?
You'll want to wear more than that.
It's too hot these days.
Stand around in the sun too long and you'll get heat stroke.
Hello there, giant.
Wah! Please don't eat me!
No, why would anyone want to eat me? I'm skinny and small and really horrible to pick teeth with.